Asante manta moja shishenti enipa nan bi ahwere wo monkwa na saja shishye ye ma nipa nan no ehwere wo monkwa no nyese esi wo faako na emomo no eye afanu anase bakosi wa ha ena bakosi na emomo areho seme wo mu no se emu bako de na ye obi ene ne hokafo
Asante oye bapanyini de ma owura Godfred afenwa a wanya ne ba bi ko ekire se emre twato ne papa kasaye no na ye joda na wo hwe ni mu se obehia ne manananom.
I thought it was a dream, so I was just there and my brother took called and he said, Kingsley, oh hey, Mr. Godfred Ashew. Initially I dreamt and like he was looking nice, and I said to my friend, and I said, yeah, the way I've dreamt about my father, I don't think he's going to last for long, so I need to call him. So I called him severally and it wasn't going through, and it just came, just like around 12:30, and I heard it.
One day free me, Godfred afenwa abo dan mu e woginya se a wo mo dan a wodam no eja etomu ahemnache ene eja ne to dan ni mu a o ma mfa hwe kra e wo ho o hwe o muni padua eja afra na mo no a apolisifoɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɔde wo makopie mu ɔmɔkyere panyin kase abedi yɛkyerɛ a ɔkasa de ma odumgya dwumakuo ne fa ɛwɔ Asante mantemu DO3 Peter Adey ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛhwehwɛmu ahyɛseɛ.
When we got there, we realized the fire had engulfed a wooden structure, so we extinguished it, and after we extinguished it, we realized 2 people had been burnt by the fire, a 51-year-old man and a 42-year. Investigations are underway to establish what actually caused the fire.
Anya nko a okupi mo mampon so a eja kro no a amanipa mienu ahwere won nkwa obako a wafim na ekire se na wada eno hu se enwisie ni eba oye ne obetumi bia efrefre ya so obenya nkorofo mo bedu gya no na enso ankwesi aga nana efamu ehwere ne nkwa
bi man fa hwe me sole me ko me jadale na me sole ya nsam so me de me ho se si abonte na me tiatiemu bia mfe nana no ajeso odi mi hwio munyimio sana na wanka sempi
DO3 bafoje owodum jadwumaku e wo maike na mu ekire se enhoma wodo a ye de awo ya fie no en na cha
5 years latest news so this what happened in the best in the society, but then I don't be quite 50, 60, 70 years. Yeah, and I be sure cables in inferior cables. The inferior cables automatically music a credit na kofaja abama it's possible electrical in likely cost.
Amani boy Emmanuel Bright Kweku edifia Asante mantemu Kumasi.